mami lahat. Lahat.
To celebrate the memorable events or moving of ceremony,
Lakas, lakas.
challenge and exciting, study years, familiar, years, and only of all, playing here, playing there, playing anywhere, to my classmates, so we and friendship. I will dedicate it to my hardworking teachers, Teacher Emma, Teacher Irene, Sister Ryan, Sister Vicky, and Sister Vicky care to teach us. Thank you for your patience and guidance to us.
Alma mater.
I would like to say thank you to my alma mater, Our Lady of Solidaria, Parroquial, for providing us an excellent education.
Parents.
And my parents, who love me so much and always there to guide me. And baby, I love you so much.
Last. Last.
Last but most importantly, I would like to say thank you